if the hot temperatures we've seen across the Tennessee Valley this week have made you thankful for air conditioning, you might want to listen for this story.
HVAC companies say now is the time to get your units checked for summer. News 19's Emily Mosner spoke with one company today. Emily, what can you tell us about tune-ups and maybe even some rebates out there?
That's exactly right, Lauren. Well, this week we've already seen temperatures soar into the upper 80s, and spoiler alert, it's only going to get hotter as we head into the summer months, meaning that these units on the side of your house are going to be working overtime. Now, experts tell me now is the time to get them checked to avoid the hassle of having to get them fixed later on. Now, today I did a ride along with Durham Service Company. Now, with a lot of people starting to crank up the AC this week, they tell me a lot more people are discovering problems with their units. They tell me a dirty system is a big cause of several common problems. Now, Larry Durham, the president of Durham Service Company, says you should get your unit cleaned and checked at least once a year. That includes having the coils cleaned, the components checked, and the refrigerant checked.
Especially on a refrigerant check, if you've got a small leak that's developing, if you can catch that early on, it might save you coming home one day and not having any air at all, and then the expense of trying to find that leak and see if it's repairable, where you either have to replace a component or replace the whole system.
Now, I do have some good news for you. The Tennessee Valley Authority is offering customers in our area a $50 rebate on AC tune-ups. All you have to do to get the rebate is work with a contractor that's part of the TVA Quality Contractor Network, like Durham Service Company. Now, I'm going to post a link on how you can find that list of approved contractors on our website, WHNT.com. And the TVA is also offering rebates for customers who make upgrades to their systems. I'll have more details for that coming up on News 19 at 5. For now, live in Madison, Emily Mosner, News 19.